You are welcome to this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to listen to a song for the first time and identify the key, identify the chord, and identify the chord progression, and be able to play the song to a very, very reasonable extent. Take for instance, during the day you listen to so many songs from the radio, from your mobile phone, in the car, in the restaurant, moving on the street from shops. Is there this song that catches your heart and you wish to play it on the guitar, but somehow you are like, you can't just get the keys because they are not written anywhere? That brings us to our first method. Our first secret is move all those songs you do not know the keys into your heart. Emotionalize the song. Like the song. Appreciate the song. Feel the song. Once you begin to feel the song, you have it in your emotion, you'll be able to play it easily. And the second tip will make sense once the song is already in your emotion. The second tip is finding the home key, the principal key. What do we mean by the home key? The home key, these are keys. Between each fret is a key. The home key is simply the dominant key, that key that gives you, once you touch it, it's sounding like that song that is already playing in your heart. And there are basically three ways of finding the home key. One is by clicking. Once the song is playing, that song that you have already registered in your heart, you'll be touching the frets, the strings in between the frets. You'll be touching them keenly. And once you touch at one fret and string where the song sounds, that song in your heart will a kind of cut, it will click. That is one way of finding the home key. The second method you can use to find the home key is called sliding. Sliding. You must have heard this. When they are playing, you hear the guitarist will do a kind of pew. Sometimes you think it's a style. Sometimes they are trying to fine-tune the sound. Let's say if those singing a kind of miss the key, you hear a guitarist will do like this. They are finding the key. It sounds sweet, but it's a tactics of finding where the key, the principal key of that song is. And then the third method of finding the principal key or the home key is combination of clicking and sliding. Why do we use different methods? We can use the clicking sometimes when we have the luxury of time. Let's say we are seated in our room and we are listening to this song on YouTube, and we're like, wow, I wish to know how to how to get the keys. And then you are like touching it gradually. You are not under any pressure to find the principal key So you can use this method conveniently till the sound falls on it. But when you do not have the time, let's say you are at a birthday party and they are singing a song for the celebrant, and the celebrant is waiting for you to like make his or her day on your guitar. You don't have the luxury of time to be touching the fret one after the other. You go by sliding now. You know, you go by sliding. And as you are sliding, it's also part of the music, you know. You'll be getting the vibes. So it's similar to the clicking and the sliding. Do subscribe and please listen to the next song. We're going to use it to experiment the next point.